everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my October 2020 update for Supernatural Pan Interrupted. This is a collab that I am doing with Amanda. We both love the show Supernatural, so we decided to pan a product for every episode that has ever aired or ever will air of Supernatural. And I am still on season 3. We have been doing this for over 2 years, and I've been enjoying it, but I do feel as though I've kind of stalled out a little bit. It's the year, I'm sure it's the year, 2020, as we know, has not been the greatest year for most people in the world. So, you know, I'm going to try and like mix it up a little bit here in a second, but let me give you the details. We started this on August 19th of 2018. Yeah, so over 2 years we have been working on this. It has been a while. I can't even tell you how many things I have finished in it because, you know, I don't have my spreadsheets from 2018 or 2019 in front of me. But suffice it to say, I've finished quite a bit. I do actually have one empty for you for this update, which is kind of cool. This was for the episode. I'm gonna mangle this one because, you know, that's how I do. This is Malleus Maleficarum. I hope I said that right. There is in the episode there's witches that tell of Ruby's past, so I chose Witch Hazel because there are witches in the episode. I knew I was going to finish this. It is something that I use in my daily skincare routine, day and night. And yeah, it is gone. It is gone. I don't really have anything else to say about it. It is, I like Witch Hazel as my astringent. It's inexpensive. It does the job. And this one happens to be cruelty-free. And I do actually have another one in my collection. And yeah. There's not much else I can say about it. So that is my empty for this update. I have tons of stuff that are going to be rolling over, and then I will be rolling in a product for the next episode in line. All right. This is part of where I'm going to mix things up a little bit. For Hollywood Babylon. I think this is still from season 2. It has been in here over a year. Yeah. It's crazy. This is the Starlux Gem Pencil in Ultra Olive, Hollywood, Star Looks. That's why I chose this one. I originally, if I can get the cap off, wanted to use it to the point where I was sharpening it down to this line. And one, I don't reach for it enough because I have so much going on. And it takes forever. It just takes forever. So even though I use it, again, not enough, but I do use it, as you can see, it needs to be sharpened right now. So you can tell I actually do use it, but this is going to be in here another year if I'm trying to get to that point. I like the pencil. Actually, I love the pencil, but this year is just, I don't even know what to say. I want to change my goal. And I probably should say I hope you guys are okay with that, but it was a project that Amanda and I kind of created together, so we kind of make our own rules. So I guess if we want to change them midway, we can probably do that. I'm going to change this to a usage goal because as much as I do like this product, I don't want it in here another year or 2 or more because I don't want to begrudgingly pan something when I know that I will enjoy this on its own without like having to force myself to use it. So I am going to, from this point on, because I obviously didn't count my uses prior to this, I'm going to say 20 uses, and it's still probably going to take me a while because I don't wear greens as often as I should because I don't really have any in projects right now. But I'm going to say 20 uses on this, then I can roll it out and roll in for the next episode whenever my 20 uses is up. So that is my new goal on this pencil. And the next one is for the episode Fresh Blood. It involves some vampires. I chose the Raven Red polish from Revlon. I have a little bit of usage. Of course, it gets bigger. I started here and now I'm at this blue line. Yes, it's the same blue that's on my fingers. Slight usage there, but I'm okay with finishing this one. You can probably actually see through there. I can see the light through there, but I don't know if the light will shine through that way, but I'm not worried about that one. Red is very easy to use. It's all good. I'm going to keep that one, that goal the same, and that one is to finish it. The next one, however, I am also going to change. This is for a very supernatural Christmas. This is from KleanColor. It is the Holiday Jingle Nail Lacquer. It's glittery and pretty. I really enjoy this, but I also know once I get past like Christmas, I'm not going to want to wear this on a regular basis. So I'm going to set this one at 20 uses also. And then when my 20 uses is done, I can roll it out. So I feel much better having goals on those as opposed to trying to like hang on to them forever and ever and ever. Because this is a long project. Bear in mind, we're only in the middle of season 3 and we've been doing this over 2 years. And there's 15 episodes. So that's why I kind of want to get the ball moving a little bit faster. All right, moving on to Dream a Little Dream of Me. Bobby is in a coma. There's a lot of sleep references going on that. So I chose something that is an overnight before bedtime thing. This is the Goop Glow mask. It is the Glow Peel Light, not mask, it's a peel. I didn't touch it because I haven't had time to pamper myself or do anything else. So yeah, I kind of suck. But hopefully I will actually get to use it before the next update. That's what I'm hoping for. All right, and then Mystery Spot. I actually just watched this again the other day. That episode was like funny and yet a little disheartening at the same time because Dean dies over and over and over and over again. But I mean, there is some comedy to it. But I love it when they add a little camp. That's part of why I like Supernatural, because I like the whole mystery, good versus evil kind of thing. I like the whole supernatural aspect. But some of their episodes are so super campy that it just cracks me up. So for that, I have something that is like Groundhog Day for me over and over and over again. Lip balms. I have tons of them. So I'm working on this potted lip balm from Event Blossom. And I really haven't used it because I've been working so hard on another lip balm. So I'm going to keep it in here and I'm going to keep it at finishing it because, you know, it's a lip balm. It's not like it's a hard thing to use. All right, so I have one that I need to roll in since I did finish a product. And oddly enough, I just watched this episode again as well, Just and Bello. This episode was a little scary and a little funny at the same time. The guys get put in jail and the people get possessed. Henriksen, he was possessed and he shot people in the jail. And when the demon comes out of him, he looks over, he sees the sheriff laying dead on the floor. He said, "I shot the sheriff." And Dean, being the campy dude that he is, says, "But you didn't shoot the deputy." So, of course, that had a song going through my head. If you guys like classic rock, you will know the song that I'm referring to and that the episode referred to. So I was thinking about the whole shooting thing and I chose something that fits that. This is Gunmetal from Pacifica. It is an eyeliner. It is a gray. I really actually like this eyeliner a lot because it's not black. And I am going to set this as a 20 use goal as well. When I initially was sitting down to do it, I put a line on it and I'm like, oh, I'm going to go to the line. But then I remembered the gem pencil and I'm like, I'm not doing that to myself again. So 20 uses and then I can roll it out and then go on to the next episode. Still, I mean, between two eyeliners, that's 40 uses right there. It's going to take me some time, but at least I'll be able to see a light at the end of the tunnel as opposed to, you know, just having it sit forever and ever and ever. Because I don't really want to do that. 2020 was hard enough. I want things to start looking up a little bit. That's what I need. I need to end this year on a positive note. So I need some successes in my life. So that is why I have changed those goals. I hope you guys are okay with it, because I'm okay with it. And yeah, I think that's it. And if you're wondering what's going on through my hair here, this is for all of my Toronto friends. This is like one of my favorite hoodies to wear. Reminds me of my childhood when my mom took me to the Toronto Zoo. Loved it. Loved it. Can't wait to go back. So that is what I have on beneath all of this hair. So, all right, wrapping this up, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.